Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I did a huge Target shopping trip of all of their Easter goodies, spring goodies. A lot of these will be in Easter baskets for my son and daughter. I have a 6-year-old son and a 2.5-year-old daughter. Come Easter, which is early this year, it is March 31st. So March is like my go month because it's my son's birthday, it's Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Cancun with the hubby. So I'm trying to purchase everything that I can and get everything ready so I'm not stressed in the month of March. I have a whole bunch of stuff here to share with you guys that is new at Target. If you're interested, keep watching. Okay, first thing here. We love these snacks. These are from Utz. They're the Cottontails. They also kind of sell them. They taste the same as the snowballs, but we love these. These are 35 mini white cheddar balls. If you see anything at Target, especially snacks-wise, seasonal snacks, grab it up before they get sold out. My kids love seasonal snacks, and that is one of their favorites. Okay, we're gonna go into these. I get these every year. Well, I'll go what's inside of them first. So this is the Shimmering Jewel Egg Decorating Kit. So it has some stickers and jewels in there. I really just like the plain white eggs. We have this egg-tastic kind of set. You can get it from Amazon too. I did see that Target has them as well. I'll put a picture of it up above, but we saved that and saved the markers. So both the kids decorate eggs and love to decorate eggs that way. So I got some more plain eggs for them. This has kind of been a tradition since Jackson started getting Easter baskets, but these are the little peep pops. So I got one for Maddie and one for Jackson. We do have an allergen in our family. Maddie is allergic to eggs and baked eggs, but this does not have any eggs in it, so I got that for them. This is more of a mommy treat. These are the Sweet Tarts, Chicks, Ducks, and Bunnies. All of like their Easter candy and stuff is out. This is one of my favorites, so good. So I'm just gonna leave it downstairs because I will definitely be eating those. And then these are the baskets I get for them for like all the little random Easter egg hunts with the church and the city and things like that. So these are $3. There was a pink, blue, yellow, and a green one. So they have stickers inside of them so they can decorate it their own way. There's even letter stickers so they can put their names. So my son and daughter did this last year. They loved it to decorate their own baskets. They're $3, so they don't have to hold up for the following year. Just kind of something fun for them for Easter egg hunts every year, because they normally do have Easter egg hunts like with the preschool as well. So those can get broken, damaged, whatever. We also have Pottery Barn, like nicer baskets for the Easter basket time for when the bunny comes. Husband is going out of town, so he needed, and I'm going out of town a little bit, so I got this travel set from Target. I really like putting like my shampoo, conditioner, that kind of stuff. I needed a couple more bottles of that, so I grabbed that. It also has a toothbrush cover. And then my husband needed travel toothbrushes, so he can either use the toothbrush cover there. Got a cheap pack of toothbrushes. And I got 2 of the toothbrush holders since we're going to Mexico soon. Then I saw this cute little bunny. I eyed it last year and it wasn't, and then I didn't purchase it, but I had to get it this time. So it is $5. Look how cute she is. She is so perfect. Love the lashes, love the bow. So this was $5. She is so cute. I had to take her home. Let me just put her up here on my dresser. And what was really nice is the lady who I was checking out with, because like the barcode was kind of like weird with the bottom of that, she gave me nice paper so it didn't get ripped and broken and all that kind of stuff. So nice. Got a travel toothpaste for Isaac. Easter baskets. I love these peanut butter bunnies from Reese's. So cute. Little bunny stuff is like my favorite. And then I saw this. This is in the dollar section. They have a couple different colors, pink and blue. You know my favorite colors. But this is sidewalk chalk. And these I think were $3. So I got a pink and a blue one. I think there was a purple one as well. These are the little bunnies I got for their Easter baskets. I normally get like the really big bunnies, but they never really finish it. So this I think will do the trick for both of them. So cute little baby bunnies. And then I got some more candy. This is another one of my kind of candies. The Twix eggs, so delicious. Also got the Sour Patch Kids bunnies. More kind of snacks. I got the Springtime Buddies. These are the Easter version of their animal crackers. We really enjoy these. They have a duck, chick, butterfly, and a bunny. Maddie saw this book. I did already purchase some more like Easter basket things from Amazon. So I will be doing a What's in My Kids Easter basket video very soon. Hopefully I can get that up for you guys next week. But she saw this book and I don't really say no to books with her. So this is, or with Jackson, if anyone wants the book, I will buy it. This is Cocomelon, the Easter Surprise. And it is a board book. It's not lift and flap or anything, but it has Cocomelon, which is one of her favorites. Some more snacks. I got the fruit snacks, the spring Welch's. So there's a bunny, chick, Easter eggs, and flowers on there. And then I got 2 little M&M eggs. Maddie saw this, so I grabbed it for her Easter basket as well. This is a floating figurine in Ariel. She has another one of these in a Gabby dollhouse. There's like one of the kitty cats. I can link it down below for you guys who are interested. She really likes them. She is not diving under the water yet. My son is, but she saw this, so I was not going to tell her no. In the dollar section as well, they had cute little spring Easter coloring books. Cannot go wrong with coloring books, especially if you're taking your little ones to church or the quiet activity. These are awesome. So there's a unicorn one and a Peeps one. Maddie also saw these in the dollar section as well, or Bullseye Playground. And these are swim goggles. So how cute are those? They also had like dinosaur ones and shark ones as well. But we got the unicorn one for Maddie. I didn't get one for Jackson since he has goggles that he loves. We love purchasing these all the time as well. These are their paint your own. We get the Christmas versions, the Easter versions, all of them. So I just did the Easter eggs. They also had bunnies as well. So they're both the same, so they both can kind of paint them how they want. Hula hoops. So Madelynn loves doing hula hoops. I'm like awkwardly trying to get back in frame, but she saw one. I definitely am getting Maddie one. And then I couldn't not get Jackson one as well, so I got a pink and blue one. Really cool about these, I don't know if you can see, they do light up. They are very cool and light up, so I'm not gonna hide them from them. They can play with those now. But if you wanted to, that's a great kind of addition to your Easter basket. They also have these crybabies as well. They are so cute because they have the little pacifier and they look like little bunnies. Like, how adorable is that? It comes in a blue, I think a purple, and a pink. So super cute. Maddie immediately needed hers. Took it to music class today and everything. So super cute. And then Jackson's been dying for a jump rope. He has been asking pretty much every day he comes home from school when he can get a jump rope. This one lights up as well. So he will probably see Madelynn with her new baby doll and be like, where's my present too? So he gets one as well. And this was pretty affordable, $6 or $8, and lights up. So that is everything for this Target haul. I've definitely found some good scores. Definitely went in with the, if I see it, I like it, grab it, because that is kind of how Target seasonal items go. Let me know if you found anything great at Target as well in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.
You as you drive